So we like to talk about our DeWitts SPAL wiring kit. It's a simple relay harness that's going to come with all of our radiator fan combinations. So in this particular case, we got a dual radiator fan combination here. It's going to come with 2 wiring harnesses with the 2 relay kits. The relay kit's pretty simple. Simple relay. It has 4 wires coming out of it. We have our hot and our ground. We have 2 smaller wires that are coming out. One's gonna go to an ignition source, and one is the gray wire that's gonna go to the temperature sensor. And in all the DeWitts radiator and fan combinations, we put the temperature sensor right in the radiator. So we put it right under the inlet tube, so we got hot water coming in, dumping on the temperature sensor from the inside, and it triggers the fans to come on at a certain temperature. We do this for a couple reasons. So you don't have to find a spot in the motor to put your temperature sensor, and it works. It's a good spot, good accurate reading from putting it right in the radiator. So one of the small wires is going to the temperature sensor, the other one's an ignition source. And we get a lot of questions on the ignition source. So the relay needs an ignition source. So we want to run that small wire to something that's off when the car is off. So when the key is in the off position, we don't want your fans to continue to run after you shut the car off, or it'll just kill the battery. So the good one is like maybe a windshield wiper motor or something of the sort that it's just getting an ignition source. And then finally a nice way to tell after you get it all set up and everything's going, a good way to tell and troubleshoot the whole system is by seeing if it comes on is this ground wire. So the one going to the temperature sensor, you can simply take that, run right off the temp sensor and touch it to your radiator. If your radiator and everything is grounded out properly, then your fans will come right on. So that's a very good way to troubleshoot and test your wiring harness after you get your wiring harness with your new fan kit all hooked up. For more information on this or any of our other products, visit us at DeWitts.com.